Did you know that sand from the Sahara Desert can travel all the way to the Amazon rainforest? This isn't just a wild tale, it's a scientific marvel. Every year, over 27 million tons of Saharan dust make the transatlantic journey carried by trade winds. This dust is rich in phosphorus, a vital nutrient that fertilizes the lush Amazonian soil. It's like nature's way of sending a care package across the ocean. Without this dusty delivery, the Amazon might not be as vibrant. Isn't it amazing how interconnected our world is? Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.